The one thing that really stands out with community is that we get one-on-one with our patient care. Not many other hospital systems or even private clinics will do that. We have complete individualized patient care at all times. You are one-on-one with a physical therapist, and you don't get that very many places. And I truly feel spoiled with that. I usually see my patients between a half hour to 45 minutes with an evaluation about an hour. And that is another huge thing that is so great with community. I truly can give my patients the exact amount of attention that they need, and I couldn't even tell you how many times that they have said, "You actually listened to me." And it's not necessarily that the doctors don't listen to them, it's that they don't have the time. We have the time. Community gives us the time to truly give patients the amount of care and put them first.